Hey guys, in this video I want to share a simple project management tool that I made that can generate Gantt charts, network diagrams, critical path, cumulative cost, and a few other things. So it's based entirely off of a table of dependencies. All you need to do is just type in your table of dependencies or fill it out with your task name, the project, the activity duration, predecessors, cost, etc. And you can add tasks or remove them as needed. It can handle complex predecessor relationships such as finish to start, finish to finish, start to finish, and start to finish, as well as lead or lag. We'll get into that in a second. And it can handle multiple predecessors or multiple successors as well. The cost is optional. You can toggle it on and off if you want, and so is the float. You'll see that in a second. But once you fill out your table of dependencies and possibly even the project name, it will immediately create the network diagram for you. This is an activity on Node network diagram. It will highlight the float of each activity as well as the critical path in red and all of the structure of the project. It's going to give you the early start and early finish of each activity as well as the late start and late finish. The Gantt chart will also be immediately created for you as well. In this case, we can see each of the activities on the left and the days incrementing as we go along in the top. Again, the critical path will be highlighted in red and the other activities will be in blue. And this is where you can toggle on and off the float if you want to see what the float is on each activity. Additionally, if you had the cost registered here and toggled on, we'll get a project cumulative cost curve, and we'll be able to see the cumulative cost or the cost of the project as we go each day, all the way until the end. And you'll notice here that it also gives us the project duration of the total project, which is not evident from the table of dependencies, and also the total cost of the project based on everything that we have inputted here. So this will work with any table of dependencies. Like I said, it'll work with complex predecessor relationships, and there's an unlimited amount of activities that you can add here, and you can just simply add them or take them away as needed. So let's just go here and replace this table of dependencies with some other information. So let's say you were just given this table of dependencies and you were asked to draw the Gantt chart and the network diagram. We would just come down here and we're going to see that this is the network diagram, again with the critical path here highlighted in red, and early start, early finish, late start, late finish, and the float of each activity. Notice that this project has one single initial activity and multiple terminal activities, so it can handle stuff like that as well. And then as we come down here to the Gantt chart, we can again toggle the float on and off and essentially get the Gantt chart, also the cumulative cost curve here, and the total project duration of 14 days, as well as the total project cost. Let's run through another example here, but with a more complicated project that's going to have a lot of different predecessor relationships. So we can follow this format here of defining the predecessor relationship type as well as the lag. And if there's multiple predecessors, we can separate them with commas. And once the table of dependencies is completed, then you can come down and check out the network diagram, again with the critical path highlighted, early starts, early finishes, late finishes, float identified, as well as the Gantt chart with the float toggleable. And I didn't add cost in this one, so you don't need to have the cumulative cost showing if you don't want to. So this is really great if you've been assigned super complicated table of dependencies with really wacky predecessor relationships in here with multiples and all different types of logic. You can just put it in, follow the format here, and you'll be able to generate all these charts, which is awesome for rapid prototyping of, quickly of projects just to get the charts out, or if you're studying for an exam and your teacher is throwing all sorts of crazy table of dependencies at you, this can verify basically any problem that's being thrown at you. So if you're interested in trying it out, the link is in the description below, and it'll also be on the screen at the end of the video. I've made the software available to all of my $10 Patreon supporters. So if you're already registered as a supporter, thank you very much. It does support the work that I do. And if you're interested in trying out this tool, then please join on Patreon. It really helps the channel, and I've got more project management software on the way that will also be available if you guys are interested in trying it out. If you're studying for project management, then this is definitely a great tool to have in your back pocket. And if you're working in project management as well, and you just want to be able to generate some really quick charts way faster than some of the alternative software out there, then this might be the tool for you. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Give it a go, and if there's any feedback that you'd like or anything that you'd like, any features you'd like to be added as well, definitely drop those in the comment or shoot me an email. I'd love to hear it, and I'm looking forward to releasing a couple new pieces of software coming soon.